So my 11-year-old is homeschooled, and this week I sent him up for spring break camp. So he's been gone all day. It's 5 o'clock right now, and my sister went to go pick him up. And I am literally over here at the road watching and waiting for him to come back, because as much as he yaps all day long in my ear and bugs me, I missed him today. So I'm over here waiting for him to come back so I can give him the biggest hug ever. It's so crazy how, like, you know, you homeschool and like we're together all the time, and I'm like, I need a break, son. I need you to go to spring break camp and go be busy so I can get some stuff done. And then he's gone all day, and I'm like, when is he coming back? I miss him. But yeah, I'm over here waiting for them to come back, literally peeking at the side of the road. Oh, I think I see them. They're coming back. Hey, they're coming. I'm geeked out over here on the road. Watch. I'm going to turn this way so you can see. There they are coming back. They're back! Where's my baby? Where's my baby?
Oh, my legs!
Hi! My baby! I've been waiting for you.
You have?
Yes! I was standing over here. Look, I was looking out. I'm like, why is he taking so long?
I want to start driving.
Hi, sweet! I missed you. How was camp?
Good.
It was good? You ate good. You look happy.
Yeah.
Today was a good day?
Yes, Mom. Mom, look what I got too, and I'm super good at it.
This?
Yeah. Well, I got
Hey,
it.
let me try. Is that how you do it?
Wait, can you please let me hold this?
You didn't drink your smoothie.
I did. I'm drinking it right now.
Okay.
So what I do is I shorten it, and then I.
You are good at it. Hi, baby.
Hi, Mom.
You were gone too long today.
I was.
Missed you.
Missed you too. Yeah. Show, Mom.
Hey. My friend is back. Oh, look at him to steal hugs too.
I missed you.
Wow, Dad missed you too? I guess it wasn't just me missing you today.
Yeah.